Hey, welcome to McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC. We're going to take a look at a really interesting and rare vehicle we took on trade. This is our 2008 Saturn Sky Redline rear-wheel drive. Now the Saturn Sky was really popular mainly due to the difficulty in finding a two-seater convertible sports car at this particular price point with this particular amount of horsepower. Now the interesting thing about our Saturn Sky is the mileage. You've only got 37,000 kilometers on the odometer as of this video. So this thing's definitely probably amongst one of the lower mileage vehicles that are for sale currently. Now taking a look at the engine, the Redline does include the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It's pushing out 260 horsepower to the rear wheels. Now this 2-liter engine is paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Would have been great to have the manual transmission, although the automatic is still nice and responsive. As we take a look down here, you've got the 18-inch chrome aluminum wheels. Now this is definitely a really nice looking wheel option for this vehicle. As we move around to the back end here, you do have the dual exhaust system, which looks nice and great. And then we're going to open up this top here, this convertible top, and then take a peek at the interior. So in order to take the top off of this convertible, it's pretty simple and it should only take you a matter of seconds. Now inside the glove box itself, there is a button to release the latch on the back of the trunk, which is going to allow you to open that up. Now if we head on back to the interior, you do have another latch towards the ceiling right between the two mirrors, and that's going to basically release the top, and you're able to fold that back down nice and tight into the trunk. So now let's dive into the gorgeous cobalt red interior on this Saturn Sky. Really one of a kind. You're not going to see many interiors like this out on the market today. Now over here on the seats, you do have the Sky emblem embroidered onto the seats. Nice red offset stitching here. Really comfortable seating area for the driver, and it's one passenger. Now on the door panel, pretty basic. You do have your locks, your power windows, and your power adjustable side view mirrors. Now the steering wheel is wrapped in red leather here along the sides. And then of course on the left hand side you'll find the cruise controls. On the right hand side you'll find your radio controls and your hands-free button. Now taking a look at the radio system itself here, you've got your pretty standard features: Sirius XM radio, AM, FM, CD player, and then you've also got auxiliary if you want to plug in a modern device here, play some music from your phone. That's not going to be an issue. Now your climate controls are located just up top, automatic transmission down below, and then you do have an interesting storage feature right here in between the two seats. You're able to store quite a few items down here, and you've also got the cup holders that are going to slide right out from within the panel. Now other than that, you do have your parking brake down below, and then you're going to find your OnStar buttons right here on the rear view mirror. So if you're interested in our 2008 Saturn Sky, I invite you over here to McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC. Give us a call if you have any other questions, and we'd love to take you on a test drive and show you this vehicle.